This is for Corona, you coughing, nasty, fever having hoe. Why you got them declaring state of emergency with your contagious ass? And these drinks on them.
Hi guys, it's Azari. I am back with you, so I'm going to get my day started. I'm actually going to get ready for my sip and chat today with my girls. It's going to be fun, so... Yeah, so this is going to be a quarantine baddie edition. I'm getting myself ready for my quarantine sip and chat. So let's get it started without makeup. So I use makeup Born This Way concealer. I also am going to use LA Colors concealer to conceal my eyebrows. I don't drill them in because they're already there. I just brush them in, and we'll be doing later on. With my Born This Way concealer, I just take the stick and pop it around and pop it around. Pop it all on the face. Make sure my face is completely full. I only do one coat of this because it's kind of, you know, coverage. It covers everything. And then I just go in with my beauty blender. I wet it before I go in and just blend my face up. Yes, honey. Look how it is blending lovely to perfection. This is like one of my favorite concealers that I use for foundation. Yes. Let it blend. Let it blend. Then I said before, I brush my eyebrows with eyebrow mascara. Then I go in with my Iman Cosmetics palette. I usually mix the blush and the eyeshadow together and put it on my cheeks. I like that it has a shimmer glow to it and it's a natural look. I love all of Iman products. It's great for the skin, and then it also makes you look good. Boom. Then now I'm going to use from the Iman palette. I have this nude lip option that they have in the palette. I put that on. Yes, honey. Then we're going to go in with Juvia's Place highlighter. I love this highlight, and the highlight is a big important key to my natural look for me to get this baddie. And so I like to highlight my cheeks all the way up to like the corner of my eye, and you see how it gives that shimmer. I also work it on my nose, so with the arch of my nose and also the bottom. I like to put a lot because it gives a glam. So when I'm taking pictures and I'm turning, pop, pop, pop. And then look, you can look at it and see, look how it's blending in lovely. Look at the shimmer. Look, and that's only a little bit. So that's what I love about this Juvia's Place highlighter. It's just thebomb.com. And then I also put the highlighter on the arch top of my lips so that it goes with the nose, and also my nude lipstick that I'm putting on. I put a little bit of the highlight like between my eyebrows, but not too much. And it gives this type of, look how it comes out. Yes, we're getting there. Now we're going to put our mascara on. Yes, these are my lashes. I like to put a little bit of mascara on just to give it an effect. It makes a big difference. Go in with our setting spray. I use Mario Baddies spray. This has aloe vera, agave in it, all of the good stuff. I spray probably 3-second count, and then I blend it in with my beauty blender. So I am dressed now, and I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm gonna show you this entire look later, but I'm completely dressed now. I just want to focus on my hair right now and get these curls popping. I put flexi rods in it, and I'm just gonna unravel it. So like I said before, I just put my hair in flexi rods, but I rolled them the opposite way to have my hair flip. I'm gonna give a little, you know, elegante look. So this is the results. So I'm all done and ready, and I'm just fixing my hair. So I'm just gonna bobby pin the sides of my hair to showcase my earrings. My quarantine baddie get ready with me edition has been complete. Hope you guys enjoyed my look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay safe, guys, and you can still look fabulous during this quarantine season. Later.